Good morning, children. Today we will do the remaining part of your chapter number 2 from the reader book. So, yesterday we learned that there was a peacock called Mayur. He lived in Pakshi Vihar. Okay, Pakshi Vihar में रहते थे वो. Okay, and Pakshi Vihar was a jungle, of course. And he was very self-centered. He was always taking care of his plumage. The feathers are called plumage, or you can call plumage. Okay, so plumage का वो ध्यान रखता था हमेशा. He was very careful about it. He never used to let it get wet or smelly. He never used to play with anyone also, because he used to think कि if I will play with anyone then my plumage will get dirty. So he was very careful about it. And also he had made a brush and excuse me, and he used to comb his hair so many times that the plumage was the comb was getting toothless now. Toothless means the comb's bristles were getting off. Now today we will learn what he does next. Yesterday we read that a Hansa, there was a heron called Hansa. He called him for water polo and he denied that my feathers will get wet, so I will not come. Another time a brood of ducklings. Children, हमने collective nouns पढ़े थे ना? So देखो, this here comes brood of ducklings. So brood is a collective noun. Brood means a group of ducklings. It is a collective noun for ducklings. Ducklings मतलब duck के बच्चों के लिए हम ducklings कहते हैं. Okay, so a brood of ducklings called him to play to be their goalkeeper till the time their original goalkeeper, the duck, arrived. So they requested, Mayur, that Mayur, you please be our goalkeeper for the time that our original goalkeeper, the duck, will be coming back. At first, the Mayur was shocked at such a suggestion, but the duckling begged him. Okay, so he was very, shocked that okay, they are asking me to be their goalkeeper. Then he was very reluctant the first time. But the ducklings begged him to play with them. So the ducklings, small ducklings, begged. Begged means उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा बार बार पूछा, भीख मांगा. एक तरीके से बेग करने को भीख मांगना कहते हैं. Okay, so he agreed reluctantly. So then the Mayur, because they were वो इतनी बार पूछ रहे थे ducklings, so Mayur ने agree कर लिया. Let's see this word reluctantly. Reluctantly. रिलक्टेंटली का मतलब होता है चिल्ड्रन कि उसके मन में कहीं ना कहीं ये था, मयूर के मन में, दैट आई डोंट वांट टू डू. ही वाज वेरी रिलक्टेंट कि मेरे को नहीं आना, बट स्टिल ही डिड इट बिकॉज द डकलिंग्स वर आस्किंग फॉर इट अगैन एंड अगैन. Okay, so when you're reluctant to do something, you're not very wholeheartedly doing it. There is something which is taking you back from it. He didn't like his job though. He didn't like to be the goalkeeper, okay? Each time the ball hit his tail, it flattened his feathers. So whenever the ball used to hit his tail means the plumage here, it used to flatten the feathers. Flatten means अगर कोई चीज़ ऐसी है तो अगर बॉल यहाँ से आ रही है, इसको हिट कर रही है, तो ये ऐसे करके फ्लैटन हो जाएंगे. Okay, so his feathers was like this, and whenever used to, the ball used to hit it like this, so it used to get flattened. Alright, flattens means flat हो जाना. He left the goal wide open every time. He rushed to the pond to see how badly his feathers had been damaged. So whenever the ball used to hit his feathers, it used to get flattened. When it used to get flattened, he used to rush to the pond. The Mayur used to rush to the pond to see कि उसको कितना damage हुआ है, how badly his feathers has been damaged. He brushed his feathers all afternoon till they shone again. So he brushed again his feathers till the time they were shining again, or they shone again. Shone is the past tense for shine. SHONE, shone here. This word is the past tense of shine. Okay, so he used to brush it, then again he used to brush it till the time it shone again. I look smarter than ever, he thought to himself. Because he was self obsessed, so he thought कि oh my god, I am the smartest ever now. आज से पहले तो मैं कभी इतना सुंदर दिखा ही नहीं था. Today only I am looking the most smart. Okay. All the other birds were tired of his behavior. All the other birds in the jungle or in the Pakshi Vihar, they were all tired of this behavior of Mayur, you know. This behavior का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे? His behavior that he left the goal open. He was a bad goalkeeper, right? He never used to take anything seriously. He was only worried about his plumage. Okay. They could never make Mayur join in any of their games. So they were all wanting that Mayur should join them, but they were never able to do that. One morning, Mayur woke up with his first rays of sun. He made a dash for the pond as usual to admire himself in the crystal clear water. One morning, Mayur woke up with the first rays of the sun. Yani ki when the sun came, first ray means first light. Ray means this is a ray, right? जो एक ही तरफ बढ़ता है उसको रे कहते हैं. मैथ्स में पढ़ा होगा आपने. Okay, so the first ray of sun से वो जगा and he made a dash. Made a dash means he ran very quickly towards something. So here in this case, he made a dash to the pond. He ran towards the pond to see in the, every morning he used to see himself in the pond. So that morning also he made a dash to admire himself. However, something unexpected happened. Something unexpected happened. Unexpected मतलब see expect means कि आप किसी से कोई चीज़ चाह रहे हो. आपने ये सोच के रखा है कि ये इंसान ये चीज़ करेगा ही. एक्सपेक्ट मतलब कि मैं आपसे कुछ चाहती हूँ और मैंने ये सोच के रखा है कि आप ये करोगे ही, तो वो मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपसे. ओके, जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो मतलब आप वो चीज़ चाहते हो. सो दैट डे अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग हैपेंड. अनएक्सपेक्ट मतलब उल्टा, जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होता है. अनएक्सपेक्ट मतलब जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होता है. Somebody had eaten a banana and had accidentally thrown away the banana peel on the ground. Now, that day something unexpected happened, that somebody ate a banana and he threw accidentally means with an accident. He threw the banana peel on the ground. ठीक है, instead of the dustbin he threw it on the ground. Mayur slipped on the banana peel and fell down. Mayur slipped on the banana peel and fell down. He slid right down the bank. Slid मतलब देखो ये बैंक होता है, ये पॉन्ड दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे, तो जो किनारा होता है उसको हम बैंक कहते हैं. Rivers also have banks, oceans also have banks, ponds also have banks. किनारे को हम बैंक कहेंगे, ठीक है. So he slid down the bank. वो बैंक में स्लिप हुआ और सीधा पॉन्ड में जाके गिरा. He slid right down the bank into the pond with a big splash. He slipped into the pond with a big splash. Okay. All the other birds watched him in silence, wondering how Mayur would react. Okay, so the other birds watched him in silence, wondering कि मयूर कैसे react करेगा. To their astonishment means surprise. To his surprise, instead of being angry, Mayur was actually enjoying the water. As we had seen, Mayur was always of the concern that my feathers will get wet and smelly, so he never used to go anywhere. But now, when by accident he slipped into the pond with a big splash, he was not angry. He was enjoying the morning water. Okay, the banana skin slid was fantastic. I never knew I could whiz so fast. This water feels wonderful. I must take a dip more often. This important paragraph is here, children. Please take note. Okay, so he said the banana slip was very fantastic. Mayur says, okay, I never knew I could whiz so fast. Whiz means to move very quickly. Look at the blue box, children. Here, whiz means to move very quickly through the air. जब आप देखते हो कि if you there is a stick and आप उसको हवा में ऐसे घुमाते हो तो देर इज़ अ विजिंग साउंड, उसका हवा काटने की आवाज़ आती है उसके, राइट? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड विज. ओके, सो ही वॉज एन्जॉइंग द मॉर्निंग वाटर. द अदर बर्ड्स कुड हार्डली बिलीव देयर ईयर्स. हार्डली बिलीव देयर ईयर्स का मतलब है टू बिलीव योर ईयर्स मीन्स टू बिलीव समथिंग विच यू हैव हर्ड. वॉट अबाउट योर टेल मयूर? द हेरन आस्क्ड. This is the same heron which called him for water polo. But the Mayur wasn't listening. He was busy splashing around in the water. He was enjoying the water so much that Mayur was not listening to anyone. And he was enjoying the water. Okay? He decided to stop thinking about his looks so much and start playing and enjoying like other birds. Then Mayur thought that, he also realized his foolishness. So the Mayur finally realized that he was a foolish person not to play with all the other birds. He was foolish. Foolish means bewakoof. Okay, children? Foolish means bewakoof. So he finally realized that he was a foolish bird not to play with anyone, and then he decided that he will now play with everyone and stop thinking about his plumage. All the other birds were happy. At last, Mayur had stopped thinking about his appearance. Appearance means the way we look. He had realized the fun in enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Pleasures of life का मतलब क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? जो छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ होती हैं ज़िंदगी की, उनको हम कहते हैं pleasures of life. He now played with the other birds and had a lot of fun. So now he played with the other birds and he had a lot of fun. Okay, now he will do the comprehension exercise. Children, I have already done it for you, so you need not bother about it. We will discuss the A part. ये वाला part मैंने already कर रखा है आपके लिए, ये वाला भी कर रखा है आपके लिए. You have to do this one only, okay? This we will do right now. How did Mayur spend all his time? He spent all his time taking care of his plumage. Second question. What had Mayur made? Where did he use it for? What did he use it for? What Mayur had made? What मतलब क्या? क्या बनाया था मयूर ने? He made a comb out of sticks. Children, मैं यहीं पे आंसर्स बताऊंगी आपको, अलग से नहीं बताऊंगी. Okay, he had made a comb out of sticks. What did he use it for? Used for किसके लिए था? For combing his plumage. For combing his plumage. Third question. What did the other birds feel about Mayur? What did the other birds feel about Mayur? Or how did the other birds feel about Mayur? Question 3. They all thought that he was self-centered and he should stop caring about his plumage. Okay. Question number 4. Where did Hansa ask Mayur to do? Sorry. What did Hansa ask Mayur to do? Hansa the heron He asked Mayur to play water polo with him. Alright. The Hansa the heron asked Mayur to play water polo with him. Question number 5. Was Mayur a good goalkeeper? Why or why not? Children, जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता है ना, जब आपको पूछा जाता है why और why not, तो आपको आंसर में ये नहीं लिखना होता दैट वाई और वाई नॉट. यू डोंट राइट द वर्ड वाई और वाई नॉट. यू इसका मतलब होता है दैट द पर्सन, द ऑथर इज आस्किंग यू कि क्या आपको लगता है, यू नो, जो भी उससे पूछा गया है, लाइक हियर इन दिस केस दे आर आस्किंग वॉज मयूर अ गुड गोल कीपर. सो यू नीड टू टेल दैट मयूर वॉज अ गुड गोल कीपर, येस और नो. इफ़ येस देन वाई येस, इफ़ नो देन वाई नो. ये मतलब होता है वाई नॉट का. ओके, इफ़ यू थिंक ही वॉज अ गुड गोल कीपर देन वाई. इफ़ ही वॉज नॉट अ गुड गोल कीपर देन वाई नॉट ही वॉज अ गुड गोल कीपर. ओके, so you have to tell. So here in this case we know that Mayur was not a good goalkeeper because he left the goal vacant every time whenever the ball had hit his feathers or his plumage. So Mayur was not a good goalkeeper as he left the goal open or vacant every time the ball hit his plumage. Okay, so every time the ball hit his plumage, he left the goal open. That's why he was not a good goalkeeper. So this is your answer for why not. See, till here you have answered that why was he not a good goalkeeper. Okay, the first part, Mayur was a good goalkeeper, no. Then you are explaining why or why not. So these are two parts of your answer. Alright. Sixth question. What happened when Mayur slipped into the banana skin? Children, see this page here. For this answer you will write that, you know, the Mayur was, instead of Mayur being angry, Mayur was actually enjoying the water. The banana slid was fantastic. Mayur realized his foolishness and he decided to stop thinking about his look. This will be your answer. Okay, you will write this on your own and we shall meet tomorrow now and we will do some other thing tomorrow. So this chapter is finished here, children. Any questions you can please ask me. Thank you so much.